Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Twins podcast, where learning English feels light, friendly, and fun.
Hi, friends. I'm Jack, and this is my twin sister, Emma.
Hey there. Before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoy learning English with us. It really helps our podcast grow.
Today, we are talking about weekend plans. A very common question in English is, what are you doing this weekend? Or, what are your plans for Saturday?
Yes, people use this question all the time, with friends, at work, with neighbors, even with classmates.
So today, we're going to show you how to ask and answer questions about weekend plans in a natural, friendly way.
And we'll do it while having a real conversation. So just relax and listen like you're here chatting with us.
All right, Emma, I'll start. Emma, what are you doing this Saturday?
Good question. I think I'm going to visit my cousin Sarah. She just got a new cat.
Oh, right, the fluffy white one.
Yes, its name is Cloud because, it looks like a little cloud.
I love that. Cloud. Very poetic.
Thank you, Shakespeare.
You're welcome.
So let me say that sentence slowly for our listeners. I'm going to visit my cousin this Saturday. Can you repeat that at home? Go ahead. I'm going to visit my cousin this Saturday.
Good. And you can change the activity, right? For example, I'm going to watch a movie this Saturday. Or I'm going to clean my room this Saturday.
Yes, we use I'm going to talk about plans.
Listeners, say it with us. I'm going to. One more time. I'm going to.
Nice. Very smooth.
Now it's my turn. Emma, ask me about my weekend plans.
Okay. Jack, what are you doing this weekend?
I think I'm going hiking with my friend Leo.
Wow, hiking. Where?
There's a small hill about 20 minutes from our house. Not too high, just a peaceful walk.
That sounds relaxing. Nature is good for the soul.
Yes, fresh air, trees, birds, and also I like to pretend I am a wise mountain hero.
Oh no, here we go.
I must climb to find the ancient crystal and save the kingdom.
Okay, relax, hero. You're just walking up a hill.
A hero must start somewhere.
Listeners, ignore him.
Let's help our listeners speak naturally. Instead of, what are you doing this weekend? We can also ask, do you have any plans for Saturday?
Yes, that one sounds very friendly. Repeat after us. Do you have any plans for Saturday?
Great. And you can answer like this. Yes, I do. I'm going to. Or, no, not really. I'm just staying home and relaxing.
Let's show examples. Jack, do you have any plans for Saturday?
Yes, I do. I'm going to go hiking.
Nice. Now I'll say the no plan version. Jack, do you have any plans for Saturday?
No, not really. I'm just staying home and relaxing.
I'm just staying home is a great natural sentence, and you can add something simple. Reading, watching TV, cleaning your room, sleeping all day.
Sleeping all day is a talent.
And a talent that you have mastered.
Thank you. I accept this award.
Okay, now let's teach a very useful phrase. What about you?
Oh, yes. You can always ask back. I'm going to the park. What about you?
Or, I'm visiting my friend. What about you?
It keeps the conversation going. Very natural.
Let's practice a little mini conversation. Listeners, say your part out loud, right now, even if you are alone. It helps.
I'll start. Do you have any plans for Sunday?
Now you answer. Say something like, yes, I'm going to... Ready? Go.
Nice. Good job. Now say, what about you?
And I answer, I'm going to relax at home.
Very natural. You're doing great.
Now let's talk about another phrase. I might.
Yes, I might means maybe. Not 100% sure.
For example, I might go to the beach. I might study. I might cook something new.
It's soft, not too strong. It shows possibility.
So if you are not sure about your plan, use this.
Let's do a short example.
Jack, what are you doing this weekend?
I'm not sure. I might visit our parents. Or I might stay home. I haven't decided yet.
Very natural, not rushed.
Now, let's compare. I'm going to equals yes, it will happen. I might equals maybe, not sure.
Repeat both. I'm going to. I might.
Nice. Now let's try a small listening check. I will say a sentence. You decide is it sure or maybe. Ready?
I'm ready. Listeners, are you ready? Okay. Sentence 1. I'm going to meet my friend on Sunday. Is that sure or maybe?
Yes, that is sure.
Sentence 2. I might go shopping later. Sure or maybe?
Correct. That is maybe.
You're doing amazing today.
Yes, your English is getting better with every minute. Seriously.
Okay, Jack, what do you think is the most common weekend planned?
Ah, I know this one. Laundry.
True. So many people do laundry on weekends.
I'm going to do laundry. Repeat that. I'm going to do laundry.
You can also say, I'm going to clean my house.
Or I'm going to sleep all day. My favorite.
Okay, one more mini conversational example. Jack, ask me about my Sunday.
All right. Emma, what are your plans for Sunday?
I'm going to cook a new recipe. What about you?
I might watch a movie. I'm not sure yet.
Perfect. Very natural exchange.
Now, listeners, it's your turn. Think. What are you doing this weekend?
Say your answer out loud, right now, even if you are alone. It helps.
Great. Proud of you.
I love when learners actually speak out loud. It really makes your brain learn faster.
Yes, when you speak, your mouth learns, your tongue learns, your muscles learn. It's not just your mind.
Exactly. So don't just listen, talk with us.
All right, let's go deeper into weekend conversations. Sometimes people add more details. For example, I'm going to the park with my friend.
Or, I'm having dinner with my family.
Adding with someone makes your sentence feel more complete and natural.
Say this with us. I'm going to the park with my friend.
Nice. Now try, I'm having dinner with my family.
Beautiful. Very natural. Now, sometimes people ask when. For example,
What time are you going?
yes, let's practice a short conversation. Jack, what are you doing this Saturday?
I'm going hiking with Leo.
What time are you going?
Around 9 in the morning.
Great, that sounds fun.
Now, listeners, try saying the same pattern.
Say, I'm going to blank with blank. Ready? Fill in the blanks.
Good. Now add the time if you want, at around 10 a.m. or in the evening.
You can choose any time, even at night, but please don't go hiking at night.
Yes. Hiking at night is how horror movies start.
True.
Let's also practice a common question people ask at work or school on Monday. How was your weekend?
Oh, yes, that is very useful. Say it. How was your weekend?
And you can answer, it was good. I went to the park. Or, it was okay. I stayed home.
And if your weekend was amazing, you can say, it was great. I had a lot of fun.
Let's do a sample conversation.
Hey, Jack, how was your weekend?
It was great. I went hiking. How was your weekend?
It was nice. I visited our cousin and played with her cat.
Cloud, the fluffy cloud warrior.
The softest warrior in history.
Listeners, your turn. I'll ask you, how was your weekend?
Excellent. Whatever you said, that was perfect practice.
Now, let's teach 2 more useful phrases. I don't have any plans yet, and I haven't decided yet.
These are great when you are not sure. For example, I don't have any plans yet. Maybe I'll rest.
Or, I haven't decided yet. I might meet a friend.
Repeat them. I don't have any plans yet.
I haven't decided yet.
Very nice. Okay, let's do one more real-life mini scene. Imagine you're talking to a friend about the weekend. Listen to how natural and relaxed it sounds. Hey, Jack, do you have any plans for Saturday?
Not sure. I haven't decided yet. I might watch a movie. What about you?
I'm going to visit my cousin. She has a new cat.
Ah, yes, Cloud. The legend returns.
Yes, the soft hero.
And there you go. That is how to talk about weekend plans in normal daily English.
Simple, friendly, natural. You can use these sentences anywhere.
Before we finish, let's do a final repeat practice. Say these lines with us.
What are you doing this weekend?
I'm going to...
I might.
What about you?
How was your weekend?
It was good.
Nicely done. Really nicely done.
You're improving, seriously, and you should feel proud.
Yes. Every time you listen and speak with us, your English becomes more confident and natural.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And tell us in the comments, what are your weekend plans?
We want to read them.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, friends.
Bye.